Hello, dear students. I hope all are you fine. Myself Mukesh Gangwar, your physics teacher from Brahmaraj Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Bilaspur. Dear student, we are discuss about the dimension of derivative physical quantities. This video for the class 11th subject physics, chapter number 2, units, measurement and error analysis. This is the sixth part of this chapter. Then today we are discuss about the dimension of the physical quantities. Then dimension. Dimensions. What is the dimension? Dimension क्या होती हैं? The dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to obtain the derivative quantity of that quantity. Derivative unit of that quantity. कहने का मतलब ये है किसी भी फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी के यूनिट्स पर जो घाते लगाते हैं, जो पावर्स लगाते हैं, वही उसकी डायमेंशन कहलाती है. द डायमेंशन ऑफ ए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी द डायमेंशन ऑफ द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to obtain the derivative unit of that quantity. Derivative units of that quantity. Okay, the dimension of any physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised in order to obtain the derivative units of that quantity. Dear student, let a physical quantity to express in the term of length, mass and time, so denoted by L, M and T. Then the dimensional formula m raised to the power a, L raised to the power b and t raised to the power c. Okay students, any physical quantity are depend on the mass, length and time. These are the fundamental quantities. The power raised, anyhow power, कोई भी पावर हम इस पर लगा सकते हैं, जो पावर लगाएंगे वही इसका डायमेंशनल फार्मूला हो जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, this is the dimensional formula of that quantity. So the students, dimensional formulae of some physical quantity. formulae of some physical quantity. Some physical quantity. Okay student, just like suppose area. Area is equal to the formula of area, length into width, length into width. The length measure in meter by the length, and width is the same as type length, the L into L. Show the student the dimension of the area, L square. L square. Just like volume, volume L V H, length into width into height, then L into L into L. So the dimensional formula of the volume L cube. Okay student, understand? Density is the formula of density, mass upon volume, is equal to mass m, the dimension of the volume L cube. Show the dimension formula of the density is m L minus 3. Okay, speed or velocity, distance upon time, Dear student, it is a very simple to derive the dimension formula of any physical quantity. If there no, the physical quantity is depend on the same any one quantity. Distance, the dimension of distance L, and the dimension of t, time t. So the dimension of velocity or speed is Lt minus 1. Acceleration change in velocity upon time, change in velocity upon time interval. Change in velocity, then the dimension of the velocity, Lt minus 1, and time, dimension of time, it means ये ऊपर जाएगा तो Lt minus 2. नेक्स्ट फोर्स की बात करते हैं. फोर्स F is equal to ma, यानी मास अपॉन मास इंटू एक्सेलरेशन, मास dimension of mass is equal to m, acceleration Lt minus 2. So the dimension formula of the force is mLt minus 2, Lt minus 2. Suppose work W is equal to F into D, यानी force into displacement. The dimension of force mLt minus 2, and displacement is the length, dimension of displacement is the L. Then the dimensional formula of the work mL square t minus 2. Pressure P is equal to F upon A, force upon area. We know that the dimension of the force m l t minus 2, the dimension of the area l square. L show the dimension of ml minus 1 t minus 2, dimension of pressure ml minus 1 t minus 2. Dear student, the dimension of power or strength, P is equal to W upon T, work upon time, work upon time is equal to dimension of work ml square t minus 2 upon time t is equal to ml square t minus 3. These are the related in the previous quantities. Linear momentum, acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity, force upon mass, force upon mass is equal to force ml t minus 2 मास m, कैंसिल हो जाएगा एल टी माइनस 2. ओके, लीनियर मोमेंटम then so student, you are understand to finding the dimensional formula of any physical quantity to be found easily in this method. It is the simply method to finding the dimensional formula of any physical quantity. We can find easily by the method linear momentum. Linear momentum is equal to mass into velocity, mass into velocity. It is simple. The dimension of the mass m, dimension of the velocity lt minus 1, then the dimension formula of the linear momentum the m l t minus 1. Okay students, next kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, the formula of the kinetic energy half mv square, half mv square. M is the mass, b is the velocity, and m हाफ नंबर की कोई डायमेंशन नहीं होती है, जो भी हमारे कांस्टेंट होते हैं उनकी डायमेंशन नहीं होती है. तो ये m इज द लेंथ m एल टी माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो ये एल स्क्वायर टी माइनस 2 हो जाएगा. देन द m एल स्क्वायर टी माइनस 2. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी is equal to mgh, m into g into h. We know that the formula of the potential energy mgh, dimension of m, g, acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. So m LT minus 2 and HL. So the dimension of the potential energy ml square t minus 2. सेम जितनी भी एनर्जी होती है वर्क होता है, वर्क इज द फॉर्म ऑफ द एनर्जी. सो द डायमेंशन इज द इक्वली टॉर्क फोर्स इंटू डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट, फोर्स into perpendicular distance, then force m l t minus 2 perpendicular distance l is equal to dimension of the torque or moment of force m l square t minus 2. You are see the same dimension of the different quantity. These quantity is the form of the work. Okay. Impulse. Impulse force into time. Force into time, force dimension of force ml t minus 2 time t, it means ml t minus 1. Okay students, force constant of spring. Next, force constant of spring F upon L. Force upon change in length, expansion in length or change in length. Force dimension of force ml t minus 2 upon change of length, it means L. L से L cancel हो जाएगा. A then the dimensional formula of force constant m t minus 2. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं m L0 t minus 2. किसी की पावर 0 होती है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. एंड सरफेस टेंशन. सरफेस टेंशन भी ये होता है F अपॉन L, फोर्स अपॉन लेंथ. सो द सेम डायरेक्शन, डायमेंशन ml t minus 2 upon L and m t minus 2. Surface energy energy upon area. So energy ml square t minus 2 upon dimension of area cancel हो जाएगा. These are same mt minus 2. Stress is equal to F upon area, force upon force ml t minus 2 upon area L square. So the dimension of stress m L minus 1 t minus 2, ml minus 1 t minus 2. And next, dear student, these are the dimension formula of some physical quantities. And further, strain is equal to change in length upon original length. Change in length upon original length. So L upon L. L से L कैंसिल हो जाएगा. दिस इज द L0. So it is called the dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless. Okay. Any physical quantity, it may be the dimensionless. Okay. What you have the formula? Coefficient of elasticity. Coefficient of elasticity. Is equal to stress upon strain. Okay, student. Stress upon strain. Stress ml minus 1 t minus 2 ml minus 1 t minus 2 upon L0. So the coefficient of elasticity is have the same dimension of the stress, ml minus 1 t minus 2, ml minus 1 t minus 2. Velocity gradient. Velocity gradient. Velocity gradient, change in velocity upon distance. Change in velocity upon distance is equal to change in velocity, it means dimension of velocity upon distance L. कैंसिल हो जाएगा ये t minus 1. Coefficient of viscosity. This is the important coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. It is denoted by eta. Force upon area into velocity gradient. Force upon area into velocity gradient. Is equal to force. Dimension of force ml t minus 2 upon area L square और t minus 1. ओके, ये प्लस का हो जाएगा तो ml minus 1 t minus 1, then ml minus 1 t minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity. It is denoted by eta. Okay, then gravitational constant. Gravitational constant capital G. Gravitational constant capital G, force into distance square. force into distance square upon mass into mass. Dear student, we know the formula of gravitation force F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and find the value of G. G is equal to F r square upon m1 m2. Okay student, then the force into distance square upon mass into mass. Understand? तो force ml t minus 2 into distance square l square upon m into m. m से m कैंसिल हो जाएगा, m माइनस 1 l q और t minus 2. This is the important formulas, dimension formulas of the same term. Gravitational potential, gravitational potential, work upon mass, dimension of work, then ml square t minus 2 upon m cancel l square t minus 2. Okay. Gravitational field intensity, gravitational field intensity, or strength is equal to force upon mass. Dimension of force ml t minus 2 upon m, then l t minus 2. Okay students, these are the some coefficients formulas, and further ऐसे ही it is solved very easily. To write the dimension formula of any physical quantity. Dear students, next frequency. Frequency 1 upon time period. It means 1 upon t. It means t minus 1. Okay. Moment of inertia. एंगल की डायमेंशन, एंगल होता है आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. आर्क इज द टर्म ऑफ लेंथ l upon radius is the term of length l, so l0. So it is called the dimensionless quantity. Moment of inertia, mass into distance square. Moment of mass into distance square, mass m, distance square L square. So the dimension formula ml square. Okay. Next, angular velocity. Angular velocity is equal to angle upon time. Angle upon time. ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू थीटा अपॉन टी होता है, एंगल अपॉन टाइम. डायमेंशन ऑफ एंगल L0 टाइम t. इट मीन्स L0 t-1 और t-1. एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन, एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन, change in angular velocity, change in angular velocity upon time. Change in angular velocity यानी कि t-1 dimension of angular velocity upon t into t square, t-2, sorry, t-2. Angular momentum, mi, moment of inertia into angular velocity, mi, moment of inertia into angular velocity. Moment of inertia is ml square. Angular velocity t-1. Show angular momentum ml square t-1. Then the formula of heat, specific heat. Specific heat. स्पेसिफिक हीट क्या होती है? Q इज इक्वल टू एम एस डेल्टा टी होता है, एस इज इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन एम डेल्टा टी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, Q थर्मल एनर्जी, मास और टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस. थर्मल एनर्जी अपॉन मास into temperature rise. Thermal energy in the form of the energy ml square t-2 upon mass m into temperature theta heat theta. Then m cancel, then L square t-2 theta minus 1 theta minus 1. Next, thermal capacity. Thermal capacity, mass into specific heat, mass into specific heat. Mass m, specific heat L square t-2 theta minus 1 is equal to m L square t-2 theta minus 1. Okay students, next dimension formula will be understand, so the all of you And dear student, this is the simple and easy method to find the dimensional formula of any physical quantity. Okay students, then next, latent heat. Latent heat फॉर्मूला होता है Q इक्वल टू ml. L इज द लेटेंट हीट, Q अपॉन m. ओके, Q थर्मल एनर्जी अपॉन मास. स्टूडेंट्स, थर्मल एनर्जी फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी ml स्क्वायर T माइनस 2, मास m. कैंसिल बाई m, then L square T minus 2. L square T minus 2. Then the coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal कंडक्टिविटी. कैसे नोट करते हैं इसे? हीट एनर्जी इंटू डिस्टेंस. हीट एनर्जी और थर्मल एनर्जी सेम टर्म. हीट एनर्जी इंटू डिस्टेंस अपॉन एरिया इंटू टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस into temperature difference into time. Then heat m L square T minus 2 into distance L upon area L square, temperature difference theta heat and time T. Show the cancel by ml square, then ml T minus 3, ml T minus 3, theta heat minus 1, T minus 3, theta heat minus 1. Okay. Next, gas constant. गैस कांस्टेंट और रेडबर्ग कांस्टेंट. गैस कांस्टेंट is noted by R. We know that the ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT, then R is equal to PV upon T. T is the temperature, V is the volume, P is the pressure. Then pressure into volume upon temperature. Okay. Then the dimension formula of pressure ml minus 1 T minus 2 volume LQ upon temperature theta. Then the formula ml square T minus 2 theta minus 1, and Planck constant. Small h. Planck constant energy upon frequency. ये होता है E इज इक्वल टू एच न्यू. न्यू इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ लाइट, एच इज द प्लांक कांस्टेंट, E अपॉन न्यू. एनर्जी अपॉन फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल टू एनर्जी ml स्क्वायर T माइनस 2 अपॉन frequency t minus 1, then ml square t minus 1. So dear student, these are the dimension formula of some important physical quantities. We are derive easily the dimension formula of any physical quantities if we are known as these physical quantities it depend on the any other quantities. Okay, तो डियर स्टूडेंट इस वीडियो में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फर्दर वीडियो वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द डायमेंशन इन डेली यूज़. तब तक के लिए आप अपने घरों में सुरक्षित रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, अनावश्यक घर से बाहर मत निकलिए. यदि जाना हो तो सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन कीजिए, मास्क एंड हैंड सैनिटाइजर का उपयोग कीजिए. गुड बाय.